In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wispr Flow with Claude Code. By the end, you'll be speaking your prompt out loud and letting Claude Code turn it into action, which is great when you want speed, focus, or hands-free control while you work. First, open Claude Code. Launch it the same way you normally access Claude, whether that's in a desktop app or your browser workspace. Wait for the coding environment to load fully so everything is ready. Before moving on, make sure your microphone is connected and allowed by your operating system. Wispr Flow relies on clear audio, so a quiet space and a decent mic can noticeably improve transcription, accuracy, and reduce edits later. Next, start a new task. A fresh task gives you a clean thread and a tight context for your request, which helps Claude Code reason without distractions from earlier conversations. Treat it like opening a brand new file just for this idea, so your instructions and results stay neatly contained and easy to revisit. Now, click on the Ask area. This is the input box where you'd normally type. Clicking places your cursor there, ensuring whatever you dictate lands in the correct place. Look for the blinking caret to confirm focus. If you don't see it, click once more so your voice input doesn't end up somewhere unexpected. With the Ask area selected, press and hold the Control key and the Windows key together, then start to speak. This key combination activates Wispr Flow's voice capture on Windows, letting you dictate naturally. Speak clearly and at a steady pace. For coding requests, mention the language, any frameworks or versions, and the outcome you want, like writing a function, debugging an error, or explaining a snippet. If there are important identifiers such as file names or function names, say them exactly. You'll usually see your words appear in the Ask area as you talk, which is a good sign the system is hearing you correctly. If background noise is unavoidable, move a little closer to the mic and maintain a consistent volume. When you finish speaking, click on Submit. That sends your dictated prompt to Claude Code so it can analyze and respond. Give it a moment to think through the request and produce an answer. If you want refinements, repeat the same flow to add follow-up instructions by voice, keeping everything quick and hands-free. That's the entire process. Open Claude Code, start a new task, click the Ask area, hold Control plus Windows, speak, and submit. Practice it a couple of times and you'll have a smooth, reliable voice-first workflow powered by Wispr Flow.